Hey Noel, I was going to show you how to set up your PowerPoint for your presentation tomorrow. I've got a PowerPoint up now and I started a title slide, and I just wanted you to see how I do this. So I'm going to create the slideshow, and I'm going to create a couple of blank slides here, maybe 3 of them. I'm going to click New Slide, and I'm going to change the layout of this so it's just a blank slide, and create a couple more new slides. And now I'm going to go back to slide 2, and I'm going to insert a photograph or a picture or something. And click on the clip art, and I'm going to select a few Santa pictures and put them in. So I put one in slide 2. Now I'm going to go to slide 3 and choose another picture, and it puts it in the slide. Then I'll go to slide 4 and put a picture in. So now I've got 3 slides. I'm going to close my clip art pane, and so now you notice I've got 3 slides with photographs in them and a title slide. So now what I'm going to do is make sure that I've got transitions for all of my slides. So I'm going to choose all of them. I clicked on the top one, and now I'm scrolling down to the bottom one and holding down Shift, and that selects all of them. And now I can give them all a transition. I'm going to give them all the fade transition. And notice how you get the little transition icon next to the slide. And now notice on the advanced slide up here in the upper right hand corner, they are all set to advance on a mouse click. So slide number 2 is set to advance on mouse click. Slide 3, advance on mouse click. What we want them to do to make a slideshow out of them is for these 3 slides with the pictures in it, we want to uncheck on mouse click and check advance slide after a certain number of seconds. So I'm going to say 5 seconds. And now notice my first slide is still set to advance on mouse click. That's what we want. But the slideshow, each one is set to advance after 5 seconds. Hopefully that makes sense. And I'll just go ahead and show you, in order to put the music in there to play during the slideshow and only the slideshow, I would go to the first slide that I want the music to start on, and click Insert and Audio, and I want to insert an audio from a file because I've got a sound file out there. We'll just pick a random one here and insert it, and it throws it up right in the middle of the slide, which is okay. I'll show you in just a minute. So now that now we have the audio tool up here at the top, and notice you're in the Format tab, but I want you to click on the Playback tab, and this is telling that audio file to start when you click. We want it to actually start automatically, and we want it to play across slides. So if we choose that one, play across slides, it starts automatically and plays throughout all the rest of the slides at the end. And I'm going to also check hide during show, so we don't see that big ugly sound icon. I can actually drag it off the screen if I want to, but I'm just showing you how to do that. So now we should be able to save it and give it a try and see if it's going to work. Let's view the show. Alright, see now my slides are showing and my music is playing in the background. It's beautiful, it's awesome, makes you wish that Christmas was already here, doesn't it? Alright, alrighty. I'm going to show you one other thing. You don't have to do this, I just wanted to show you, but if you click on Animations, and actually I'm going to the slide that has the sound file on it, this first one, and there's the sound file. And if I click on the animation pane and look at that sound file and click the drop down arrow and choose Effect Options, notice that I've got a bunch of options here. I can tell it to stop playing after the current slide or stop playing after another click or stop playing after a certain number of slides. Since we said play across automatically, it puts a number in there. It puts the biggest possible number. So I could tell it to stop after 3 slides and then keep going with a PowerPoint presentation. So you could actually put a slideshow in the middle of your slide presentation if you want. But this is the quick way to do it at the end of your slide presentation. So hopefully that makes sense. Send me an email if you have any troubles, but that'll get you what you need to do for the presentation tomorrow. All right, see you tomorrow.